Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
how are
Good
you?
evening.
Good evening. How are you,
I'm
Bhavna?
okay. Thank
Okay.
you for asking me. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing well. Thanks for asking. Okay, so tell me, how's your day been so far?
Yeah, it is going very well.
Please introduce yourself, Bhavna, for
Yeah.
our
Yes,
viewers.
yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. You have given me an opportunity. Yes. Yes, ma'am. My name is Bhavna. I live in Kathmandu currently. I have 3 kids. I have done my master in Hindi and now I am doing job in a school as a teacher, junior level. And yeah, that's all about
That's
me,
great,
ma'am.
Bhavna. So, what do you
Yeah,
teach?
it is the junior level, so I teach there every subject like social, science,
Okay, so you are teaching
English,
all
math.
subjects to primary level students.
Only Nepali, yeah. Only
Okay.
Nepali, I don't know Nepali more. That's why I do not take the Nepali subject. Other language, sorry, other subjects I can take.
So, you were born in Nepal or you are Indian?
India.
Okay. So, when did you
Yeah,
go
I
to
was
Nepal?
born in India.
Or you were born in India?
Yeah.
So, when did you go to
Yes,
Nepal?
ma'am. Actually, after getting married, I came in Nepal.
Okay. So after
Yeah.
marriage, you moved to Nepal. Your husband used to live in Nepal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me about your three children.
Yes, I have 3 children and they are student. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how old are they?
Yeah, my elder one is elder. I have twins baby, so they are now running 19 years.
Okay.
And younger one, yeah, daughter, she is now running 10 years.
So your sons are twins. You have twin
No, I
boys.
have 2 daughters,
Okay, you have twin
one son.
daughters.
Yeah.
And then the
No, I have
youngest.
two daughters. 2 daughters.
Okay, the
One
twins are
one
one boy
daughter
and
and
one girl.
son. Yes, one son and daughter.
Are
They are
twins.
twins.
Okay, okay.
And younger one is daughter.
So are they close to
Yes.
each other? Are they very close to each other as they are twins?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So don't
They
they
are
fight with each
really
other? Don't they fight with each other?
yeah, sometimes. Sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes
So
it is now they are so understand everything. But previous time I was really very sometimes confused how to handle them.
okay.
Nowadays, okay, because yeah,
Okay, now they are grown up, but earlier it
they
was very difficult to
understand.
handle them.
Yeah, it was very difficult to handle them. Really,
When they were very young, was it difficult to recognize them?
yes, ma'am. No, not recognized. Actually, one is daughter and another is son.
No, but
So they
when they
are
are very young,
face.
at 2, 3 years of age, at that time you can't differentiate between boy and girl. Then they look alike, na, at that time.
No, no problem, ma'am. Actually, they are not the similar like if both are like girls or like boys, then there is little bit confusion to how to recognize. But as a mother, I know, and because yeah, but my son and daughter, they are son and daughter, girl and boy. That's why there is no problem
Okay,
to
they are not
recognize.
identical twins. When they were born, did they look alike? Were they identical? Or their faces
I
were not
didn't get,
similar?
ma'am.
Little bit, okay.
Yeah, little bit.
Okay, not too
Yes.
much. Not too much.
Not, no, no.
Okay, tell me, what does your
Yes.
husband do?
Yeah, my husband is a job holder.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what kind of job does he do?
Yeah, he is doing in court. I mean, Adalat,
Oh,
Kachari.
okay. That's in a
Yeah.
word. Okay.
Yeah.
So
In our language, Kachari.
he takes decisions at home
Yeah.
also. He takes decisions at home also, or you take
Yeah. No, both.
both of you.
Both.
So
Yeah,
you
both.
take decisions together.
Sometimes, Yeah, sometimes according to him, I go, and sometimes he also follow me. Sometimes, yes, ma'am.
So tell
Both.
me, do you
Yes.
like your job? Do you love to teach these junior kids?
Yeah, it's a little bit difficult because I don't know Nepali,
Okay.
so little bit difficult to manage. But yeah, this is okay, no problem.
Okay. So all these
Yeah.
children speak Nepali. They speak Nepali because this is their local language. That is their mother tongue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So
Sometimes
you have to communicate with
English
them in
language,
English only because you don't understand Nepali.
but nowadays I understand.
Okay. So do they know Nepali?
Yeah.
Do they know Hindi also?
No, they don't know Hindi.
Okay. So
No
now
any word.
you are picking up
Yes.
Nepali language also. Okay.
Yeah.
So
I know
tell me-
Nepali.
Okay.
I don't know more, but I know.
Okay. So
I
why-
don't know how to
Yeah.
write.
how to write? Okay. Okay, you don't know how to read and write in Nepali
Yeah.
language, but you know
Sometimes
how to speak
English
Nepali.
sentences. Yeah. Actually, sometimes I can write simple sentences, but rest then no, it is difficult to see, to write.
So why
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
want to learn?
May I know, ma'am, your
Bhavna?
introduction?
Yeah. What
Yes,
are-
ma'am. I want to. Yeah, I want to really enhance my this language. Previous time I known this language very well, but after a long time again I start my journey. That's why I am really eager to learn this language.
Okay. So you want to
Yeah.
enhance your spoken English skills. Earlier you were very good at English, but after a long gap, you have to start learning English again. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. When I was unmarried, that times okay. After marriage, okay. But when I got two twins baby, that times I was really engaged in my family totally. So I how I forgot, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before your children were born, when you were unmarried, at that time you were very good at English. But after your kids were born,
I don't know.
Then you
Very
got
good.
to
I
read.
don't know, but I was able to speak.
okay, you were able to speak English. Okay.
Yes.
So it's been a long gap. So
Yeah.
when did you start your job?
Yeah. Just I started from 3-4 months.
Okay, just 3-4 months. So do you think,
Yes.
do you feel that you should be good at English when you go to your school?
Yes, ma'am. I feel that's why
So the other teachers, they speak in
I
English?
message you. No, ma'am, not more. Actually, sometimes according to their if there is need, then okay. Otherwise, they always speak Nepali.
So they always speak Nepali
Yeah.
and they don't speak English unless it is required. Right?
Yeah. In junior level, as well as senior level also.
Okay. Do you teach your children
Right.
also?
Sometimes I have time.
Okay.
Then
Sometimes when you have time. Do your children go to the same
Later,
school?
semester, I don't- they are going same school.
Okay, they go to the same school.
No.
So Bhavna, do you have any questions for me?
Like I want to listen your from your side what you are doing. Like where do you live now? I mean introduction.
I am Meenu. I am a YouTuber. I create content on YouTube. I live in Noida. I was born and raised in Delhi, but now I live in Noida. I shifted to Noida just 10 years back. So here I am very happy now. And I create content on YouTube that gives me so much happiness and satisfaction because I'm able to help people.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It is better to learn. No, because we don't know. Like there are lots of they don't know speak this language. This language like just a new language.
Correct. It's a new language.
I don't-
It's not easy to learn a new language. Like it is not easy to learn
Yeah.
Nepali also, no?
So
You struggle to learn Nepali
Yeah,
also. Right. So in the same way,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
also difficult. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Does your husband
You are
speak
absolutely
English well?
Yeah, my children, my husband, there is no problem.
Oh, okay. They speak English well.
Yeah, actually, they are always doing their work. Actually, children, they are no problem because they studied in private school, college, everything. No, so they have no any problem. And my husband, yeah, he is always meet with friends, and sometimes he has lots of work according to his work. They are sorry, he is always doing other types of work. There you need sometimes to speak this
And
language.
he gets, I think, English speaking environment in his office also. He attends meetings. There also everyone speaks in
Yeah.
English. So that is why he gets English
Yeah.
atmosphere.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but in
He
your
knows.
school, nobody speaks in English. They don't speak in English much.
I think yes, ma'am. Yeah, I don't have any friend where I will speak.
Okay.
And if I wanted to try to speak with my children, they also don't have time.
Okay. And what about
They
your
are
husband?
busy on their study.
Husband is also busy.
Yeah, he is also busy in his work. He has no time. No.
So
And
what,
I am habitual to speak with them in Hindi. That is also. If I
Neighbors.
will start to speak English language, so I think
what about your neighborhood? Do they speak in English? Your neighborhood people?
Nepali.
Oh, they also
Nepali,
speak
Nepali.
Nepali. Okay. So then, what are you doing to improve your English?
Actually, ma'am, I am trying to connect with people, stranger,
Okay.
but I don't get the time. That is my main reason. And when I got your message now, you said now, then I was happy. Okay, yeah, it is better time. Yeah, just I can speak. Yes, so yes, now I am speaking with you like that. I don't have time really because when I come from school around 4, sometimes 4:30, 4:15 like that. Then there is need some things to eat, snacks like no.
Okay, then you eat
I
some
take my
snacks.
snacks. Then after yes, then after I always wanted to try to complete my household chores. No, after that finishing these every work, they need first to help my daughter to make the homework.
Okay.
So they no time. After that dinner. After that,
So,
So-
Bhavna, I would point out a few mistakes. Then after, we don't put then and after together. So you can say I come back at 4:30, then I have some snacks. After that, I do some household chores, and then I make dinner. I then help my daughter with homework. I help my daughter with her studies or with her homework.
Yes.
Then I prepare
Yes.
dinner. Then we all have dinner, and yeah.
after a long time, I am speaking with you, ma'am. After a long time, I'm speaking now today English. So
Okay.
really,
So you are
Yeah.
speaking English after a long gap. Okay. So you
Yes,
practice
ma'am.
English
Yeah.
with strangers.
that is
So,
the reason.
how do you find these strangers?
Yeah, 3 strangers. One is first is my Manju Misra ma'am.
Okay. And
Then
this
after
next one?
Santa ma'am,
Okay.
and third you now.
Okay. So till now you have spoken to just
Yeah.
3 people.
Yes, ma'am. 3, yeah, 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if you want to improve your English, you should
Yeah.
speak every day. You should speak English every day. You should practice English every day.
Every day, yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
you can use Ace Fluency app or Talk Now app. There you get audio calls, and then you can speak with co-learners every single day. Right? You should do
Okay.
speaking practice every day to improve your English.
Okay.
No,
We
but
will get a fee also.
For audio calls,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
don't have to pay anything, but for video calls with tutors, if you want to have video calls with tutors, then you have to pay money. Then you have to take the paid subscription. But if you want to use the audio calls, then you don't have to pay anything.
Okay.
Bhavna, tell me about your daily routine. What time do you get up?
Okay.
What time do you get up in the
Good
morning?
suggestion, ma'am. Thank you. I get up early in the morning, ma'am.
What time?
Around 5.
Around?
Sometimes, if I do any late, around 5
Okay.
in the morning.
You get up at around 5.
Then, yes. Then I first take the broom,
First,
clean my every room.
okay.
Yes.
You first do the cleaning.
Yeah.
You first clean your house.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And then,
And then after, yes, sweep,
okay, you sweep the
Kitchen.
floor. Okay.
yeah, floor. Then after, yeah, I go for bath, washroom. I go for washroom for take bath,
Okay. You take a bath.
and
Yeah.
then I go in kitchen to prepare first tea.
Okay. Then
And,
you go to the
yeah.
kitchen to prepare your tea.
Yes. Then after I take 1 cup of tea.
Don't say
With
then
my
after
husband.
together. Then after will not come. Either say then I take a cup of tea, or after that I take a cup of tea. But then and after will not
Yeah.
come. Then I have a
Okay.
cup of tea.
First, I prepare tea. I
Then I
take
have-
1 cup of tea with my husband.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I prepare meal
Okay. Then
and arrange like a tiffin
okay. Then you prepare tiffin and
for
breakfast.
myself, my kids. Yes. After I take my meal, be ready for go to school.
Okay. So then
After
you get
come
ready-
back
then you get
from
ready to go to school. Then you get ready to go to school.
Hey, thank you, ma'am. After coming from school, I take some snacks, and there is a need first to clean my kitchen, like rooms, and I do this work. After I go to bring my daughter from the music class
You go to pick up.
around
You go to pick her up.
6:30.
Okay. So
Yes.
you go and pick up your
Yes.
daughter. Pick.
Yeah,
Okay. You go to pick her
yeah.
up.
I go
How
to
many
her
music
music class.
Okay.
Yeah, pick up her.
Pick her up. You
Yes.
go to pick her up
Yes.
from music classes.
Yeah, I go to I pick up her
No, no.
from the music class.
You go to pick her up from music classes.
Okay, I go to pick up.
You go to pick her up from music classes. Or you can say, I go to pick up my daughter from music classes.
Yeah, I said like I go to her music class,
To pick her
pick
up.
up her.
I go to her music classes
Oh.
to pick her up.
Pick her.
Pick her up. Pick up.
Oh, pick her up. Okay, okay, okay.
Pick her up.
Yes.
उसको लेके
Up
आती
her.
pick her up. Right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Up her.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pick
From
up
her music class
Yeah.
classes.
I go to pick her up from her music classes. Yes. And then
I go to pick up her
I go
from
to
her music
pick her up.
classes.
I go to pick her up from her music classes.
I go to pick up her.
No, no, no. I go to pick her up. Bas. Don't say music classes. Just say
I go to pick.
I go to pick her up.
I go to pick up her. Okay.
I go to pick
Then
her up.
then I go to pick up her.
Pick her up.
Yeah. Pick her up.
Very good. Very good. It was difficult for me also at first when I started learning English. But when you just, keep speaking, then it will become your habit. And it will become natural for you.
Yes.
Okay. So after that, you prepare dinner.
After that, I wash my hands, and again I go to in kitchen.
You go to the kitchen.
Yeah.
You go to the kitchen again and you prepare dinner.
Yes. Yeah, prepare dinner. After that, I help my daughter
With homework.
for making the homework.
No, we don't make
To make
homework. No, make homework is wrong. I help my daughter with homework.
okay, I help my daughter
With homework.
with
Or yes, homework.
with homework.
Or you can say, I help
Homework.
my daughter do her homework. This is also correct. I help my daughter do her homework.
Okay, I help my daughter do homework.
Yes, correct.
After that, after that, I serve dinner for my family.
Okay.
And
then
I
you serve
also
dinner to
take-
the whole family. Then you serve dinner to the whole family.
Okay, I serve dinner for whole family.
Yes. Yes. And if
Yeah.
you are not in a mood to prepare dinner and you are very tired, then what do? Then you make khichdi.
No one want to eat ma'am khichdi.
Okay, no one wants to eat khichdi. Then you make pulao, khichdi, or dal chawal, something like that. No.
Like chapati ma'am.
Okay. They like
Usually, yeah. Every night I make chapati.
okay. Every night you
Every
make
day.
chapati. So you don't eat
Yes.
rice.
Yes, sometimes
Okay. In the afternoon.
if there is meat,
Okay.
yeah, egg curry, then otherwise there is compulsory to make first chapati.
Okay. Does anyone help you with kitchen work?
No one,
No one. Okay.
no one.
Okay.
I do everything.
Okay.
Like,
You do everything by yourself.
Yes, ma'am, everything.
Okay.
No one here to help. Sometimes if my daughter has time, then she will help little bit.
Okay. So
Like,
sometimes when she has time, she
serve
comes and helps
dinner.
you, or she helps you a little.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So they all,
Yes.
you all
Sometimes
enjoy-
my son also.
Okay. Your son also helps you sometimes.
Yeah. Yes.
So what time do you have dinner?
Sometimes. Like around 9
Okay, around 9.
at night.
And after
Yes.
dinner, do you use your
After
phone?
dinner, again I have lots of work like utensil wash, basic kitchen clean like
Cleaning
that.
the kitchen counter.
Yes.
So after you
these
are
are-
free and you come to your bedroom, then you use
Yeah.
the phone and
Around,
watch Instagram reels.
no, ma'am, I don't use Instagram sometimes. I downloaded this one because I wanted to message
Okay.
you.
So you you
Yeah.
downloaded Insta only to have a conversation with me.
Yes.
But if you
Because,
start watching Insta reels, you will get addicted to them. They are so amazing.
yeah. After that, I come back from around from kitchen around 10:30 like that.
Okay. So you come to your bedroom at
Right.
around 10:30.
Yes.
So then you immediately go to sleep or you do something.
No. There is no possible to sleep directly.
Then what do you do?
I feel, yeah, if I take any things that times, if I will go on bed, then I think I feel gastric.
Okay.
So
you
first
don't sleep
I
immediately.
want to walk in
Okay.
my room.
Okay, you
Yeah,
walk
like
inside
5
your
minutes,
bedroom.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, 5 minutes, 10 minutes,
Okay.
like that. And around 11, yeah, I go to bed I go on bed to sleep.
So at 11 o'clock you go to bed. Don't
Yeah,
say
ma'am.
I go on bed. You go to bed at 11. And your husband also sleeps by 11 o'clock?
No, ma'am. Sometimes, according to him, sometimes early, sometimes little bit late.
So sometimes you sleep,
Like
but
that.
your husband keeps using his phone, isn't it?
Yes, in my room, my kids are already slept. Sometimes, if they have the examination work or any assignment work, practical anything, they are doing that times. And
You
you
go
want,
to your room. At that time, they are already asleep.
yes, already.
Okay. Great.
When I finished every work, then after I first go their room, what they are doing.
Okay. So at 10:30, when you are free from the kitchen, you go to your kids' room first.
Yes,
Oh,
to check
okay. To see
what they are doing.
Okay.
Yes.
So mostly they are asleep.
Sometimes I if they have lots of work, they will not sleep. Yeah. So sometimes they will say, help me
Okay.
to make the project.
Okay. Then you do that. Then you go and help them.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
It is important, ma'am, to help them, no?
It's important to help your children. Yes.
Yes.
Because then
Yes.
who will help them otherwise?
Yeah. On Saturday, I usually go outside.
Okay.
Yeah,
Where?
like my younger daughter, she doesn't want to understand. She always telling me, no, let's go move anywhere. I
Okay.
don't live in home. I
Okay.
don't like to live on Sunday in home.
Okay. Okay. They all
Sometimes
want to go
zoo,
for
sometimes
outings.
park.
Okay.
Yes,
On
ma'am.
weekends. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Children park. Like,
So you all go together. Your husband also goes with you.
no. My husband, like my daughter and me. My both children, they will say, no, I have lots of work. I don't go.
Okay. So only the younger one and you.
Yeah, only younger one.
Okay. So but just the two of you go. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Around 2 o'clock, she will say, let's move from home.
Let's
I
go.
will not stay. I will not. Let's move.
Oh.
Like that.
Okay. That's great.
So usually I go with her anywhere. They
Oh.
know any friend, that's why. Yeah.
So Bhavna, keep
She
practicing
needs
and
friend.
start using the app also. I said keep practicing and keep using the app also,
Yes.
which I told you. And you spoke well today, and you will be even more
Yes.
fluent if you keep practicing every day. Okay, Bhavna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
this
yeah.
meeting is going to be over. So yeah, I really love talking to you.
Same here.
Nice conversation. Yeah. Okay,
Thank
then
you, ma'am.
Bhavna, all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. You have given me your precious time. So thank you so much.
So Bhavna, after 2-3 months, you can connect with me again. You send me another message. So we can connect again after 2 to 3 months. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, then
ma'am.
bye bye. Have a great day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.